Hello everyone. So we are going to continue, okay, with the examples. Chalo, we want to find this 255 whole raised to 1 by 4. So how we are going to find? See, first of all, what we are doing, we will identify it is which type of function, right? So it is f of x is equal to f of x is equal to y is equal to x raised to 1 by 4. Right, it is a function of this type raised to 1 by 4. Okay, chalo. So now after this, what will be there? Okay, after this, we have to find the nearest perfect fourth root. Right, nearest perfect fourth root of 255 means now here. Listen, what we will do 255. अब किसका रेज टू 4 करेंगे तो 255 के नियर आएगा इन शॉर्ट. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं लूँ यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू 256, राइट, 256 लूँगा तो ही तो आएगा, राइट. तो 256 जो है वो किसका फोर्थ, मतलब किसका रेज टू 4 करेंगे तो 256 आएगा. इट विल बी 4. चलो, एंड इन 256 व्हाट वी शुड ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट, वी विल गेट 255 डेल्टा x. यस, 256 माइनस 1 दैट इज 255. ओके, x प्लस डेल्टा x करोगे तो हमें आंसर मिलना चाहिए 255. तो मिला ना, 256 माइनस 1 दैट इज 255. ओके, चलो नाउ सिंपल डेल्टा y. ओके, डेल्टा y how to find f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So f of x plus delta x, that is nothing but 256 minus 1, that is 255, minus f of x, x is what, 256. Clear? Now delta y as it is. Now what we want to find? Yes, what we want to find? But before that, f of 255, if f of x is x raised to 1 by 4, so f of 255 is 255 raised to 1 by 4. f of 256 raised to 1 by 4. Delta y as it is. Okay, now what we want to find? 255 whole raised to 1 by 4. So make it is equal to. So 255 whole raised to 1 by 4 is equal to delta y plus 256 whole raised to 1 by 4. Now I told you what to do. Okay. See, delta y we want to find, but we have the formula to find delta y. What is the formula? Delta y is equal to. Yes, what is the formula? Delta y is equal to. See, now here I am writing in this only. Actually, you can do separate also, no problem. But delta y, how to find delta y? Formula is there. dy by dx into delta x plus 256 raised to 1 by 4 means 4 आएगा ना, right? This answer will be 4. Delta y is this. I have done the arrow so you will be able to understand. Okay. चलो, तो dy by dx, if x, yes, dy by dx, we want to find dy by dx. If y is equal to x raised to 1 by 4, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4 will come down, right? 1 by 4 x raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. What is delta x? Delta x is minus 1. So into minus 1 plus 4. ठीक है, आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ अब इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे ना, देन वी विल बी गेटिंग अवर आंसर. चलो, तो आई एम इरेजिंग द अबव पार्ट बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू हैव नोटेड डाउन, राइट? सो नो प्रॉब्लम. सो आई होप दैट दिस मच यू अंडरस्टूड. चलो, तो वन बाई फोर एक्स रेज टू 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Now what I am doing? Minus and I am keeping 4x raised to 3 by 4. plus 4. Now what is the value of x? Yes, what is the value of x? X is 256. So minus 1 by 4 into 256 raised to 3 by 4 plus 4 minus 1 upon 4 into 256 raised to means 256 raised to 3 by 4. Can we write like this way? 4 raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 4. This 4 and this 4 cut. Minus 1 upon 4 raised to 4 plus 4. This will be minus 1 plus 4 raised to 5 divided by 4 raised to 4. So minus 1 plus 4 raised to 5 means 1024 divided by 4 raised to 4 means 256. Clear? Now 1024 minus 1, that is 1023 divided by 256. Now you solve this. If you will divide, you will get the answer 3.997. 3.997. चलो, तो आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड इट, हाउ टू फाइंड इट. क्लियर? तो ऐसे फाइंड करेंगे हम ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो है. सेम मेथड है, कुछ अलग नहीं करना है. मेथड इज सेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सम फॉर दिस अप्रोक्सीमेशन. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट, दैट्स इट. राइट? चलो, तो आफ्टर दिस नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. अब थोड़ा टाइप में चेंज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? एवरीथिंग इज सेम बट टाइप जो है वो थोड़ी सी अलग आएगी. हाउ इट विल बी देयर? सी, if f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15, you have to find f of 5.001. ठीक है, ये फाइंड करना है. नाउ बाय सीइंग दिस, ठीक है, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सर डायरेक्टली पुट कर देते हैं. नॉर्मली एनीवन विल थिंक, ठीक है, that we will put directly instead of wherever x is there we will keep this, but no, here we cannot do like that. We have to use approximation, right? चलो, तो first of all see here type of function, it is already given f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15. Now listen to me. Value of x and delta x from this f 5.001, can we write x equal to 5 and delta x equal to 0.001? So only if we will add x plus delta x, we will get 5.001. Clear? So now next step, that is delta y. Delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. F of x plus delta x is what? 5.001. F of x is what? F of 5. Right? Now what we want to do, we want to find this function. So let it 5.001, let it be over here only. Minus 5 will go, f of 5 will go over here. So delta y plus f of 5. Delta y is what? Delta y dy by dx into delta x. And f of 5. What is f of 5? If f of x is this much, so f of 5 will be, instead of x you keep 5. In this you can do, okay, 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15. So I am writing it over here. 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square प्लस 15, ठीक है. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस 7x स्क्वायर प्लस 15. एफ ऑफ 5 इज 5 क्यूब माइनस 7 इंटू 5 स्क्वायर प्लस 15. चलो तो dy by dx, see this is nothing but y only, right? This is nothing but y only. So if y is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15, then dy by dx is 3x square minus 14x. 3x square minus 14x into delta x. Delta x is what? 0.001. Plus, see, now you solve this. 5 cube minus 7 into 5 square plus 15. 5 cube is what? 125. 125 minus 125 minus 175 plus 15. Okay. चलो तो see, actually you can do separate also, right? Delta y you can find, but here I have written everything over here only, so it will be very clear to you that how we are finding. Chalo, so now we will keep here, we can also keep the value of x. Value of x is what? 5. So here we will keep the value of 5. Now we have to simplify only. Everything is done, you have to simplify only. We will get the answer. 3 into 5 square minus 14 into 5 into 0.001 plus, see, 125 minus 175 minus 50 plus 15 minus 35. ओके. अब अगर आप इसे सॉल्व करोगे, देखो ये सिंपल स्क्वायर है, प्लस माइनस. ओके, आई होप दैट मच यू कैन डू इट नाउ. 3 into 25 minus 15 into 4, 15 into 5, that is multiply with 0.001, and whatever answer will come from that, okay, you minus 35, so it will be minus 34.995. अगर आप इसे सॉल्व करोगे ना, 3 into 25 minus 14 into 5, what is 14 into 5? 70. Then if you multiply that, all that minus answer will come, multiply with 0.001. Okay, whatever answer will come from that, you do minus 35, you will get the answer minus 34.995. Okay, so this was your answer for this particular function. F of x is given, we have found out f of 5.001. now next question we will solve. See, for next I will read the question, you will write the question first and then you will solve. Okay, chalo. So see, everyone write down. Find appropriate change in volume. Find appropriate change in volume of a cube of side x meter. Appropriate change in volume. We have to find. Okay, we have to find appropriate change in volume of a cube of side x meter. Side of cube is given. Caused by increasing the side by 2%. See, I have written the question means in this format. See, I am reading a question one more time. Find the appropriate change in volume of a cube of side x meter caused by increase in side 2%. ठीक है, मतलब हमें कितना वॉल्यूम चेंज हुआ क्यूब का अगर उसकी साइड 2% हमें इंक्रीज की, तो इंक्रीज मीन्स प्लस ओनली विल बी देयर, राइट. चलो, तो व्हाट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट. चलो, तो what we want to find appropriate change in volume, so we want to find delta V, right. Delta V is equal to dV by dx. Now one question arises that, sir, how here this came? Actually dV by dx only we should find, not change in volume, but here you see appropriate change in volume is given, and according to the formula, which formula, if we are finding, no, delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x, because delta y is equal to dy by dx to delta x. From that it came, okay, from that this came. We have to find change in volume, but that formula will be dV by dx into delta x, that we have already discussed. So now what is dV by dx and what is delta x? dV by dx we will know, here 3x square, 3x square into delta x. Up we have to find now delta x. Now we have to find delta x. चलो, तो how we are going to find? Say I am erasing this side. Okay, तो हाँ, डेल्टा एक्स देखो, सबसे पहले डेल्टा एक्स मीन्स व्हाट, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, एनीथिंग, ओके. डेल्टा एक्स मतलब चेंज हुई, तो पहले क्या थी और क्या हुई, ओके, लाइक दैट वे. तो इनिशियली साइड वाज एक्स मीटर, ओके. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, इंक्रीज हुआ ना 2% का, तो अगर x है तो उसमें इंक्रीज हुआ तो प्लस ही आएगा. कितना इंक्रीज हुआ, हाउ मच इंक्रीज, 2% ऑफ व्हाट, बट x ओनली, ठीक है. 2% ऑफ x मीन्स 2x by 100, ठीक है. 2x by 100 मीन्स व्हाट, x plus 0.02x. So 1.02x. So delta x is equal to what? See, this is final. So final is 1.02x minus initial, that is x. So 0.02. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ बहुत ही मैटर करती है, राइट. इट मैटर्स अ लॉट. इनिशियल वॉज एक्स, नाउ इट इंक्रीज्ड, सो हाउ मच इंक्रीज, 2% ऑफ व्हाट, ऑफ दैट साइड ओनली एक्स. सो 2/100 ऑफ एक्स, 2% ऑफ एक्स मीन्स 2/100 इंटू एक्स मीन्स 2x by 100. 2/100 means 0.02, and 1x plus 0.02x, so 1.02x. Now what is the change? First it was 1x, then it is 1.02. So 1.02 minus 1x, so 0.02x. चलो, तो delta x will keep the value 3x square. Delta x is 0.02x. So answer is 0.06x cube. ठीक है, दिस विल बी योर आंसर. आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड. एक टाइप का ऐसा सम और एक करते हैं, ठीक है. वन टाइप मोर ऑफ दिस सेम टाइप मीन्स ऐसे ही कुछ दिया रहेगा, ओके, स्टेटमेंट में, उसके बाद हमें उसमें से निकालना है अप्रोक्सीमेट आंसर. चलो, तो it is given that I am reading the question. if the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 centimeter with an error of 0.03 centimeter. Okay, now I am doing one thing. Radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. Nine centimeter. Okay, with an error of 0.03 centimeter. Error of 0.03 centimeter. Find approximate error in calculating its cube. We have to find approximate error. Okay. So first of all, listen. What is the value of V over here? Volume of a sphere. What is that? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. We want to find delta V. Delta V means what? Yes. What is the value of delta V? dV by dr to delta. Now listen. Here it is given error. तो वहाँ पे error नहीं दिया था in previous question. It was given increase. But यहाँ पर clear दिया है error. तो plus भी हो सकता है minus भी हो सकता है, right? And dV by dr 4 by 3 into 3 into pi r square delta r plus or minus 0.03. ठीक है? 4 dV by dr means 3 will be coming down 4 by 3. इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है dV by dr. Delta r it is given in question 0.03 but plus or minus I have written because error is there. So plus भी हो सकती है minus भी हो सकती है, right? 4 pi r square plus or minus 0.03. R is given 9. R 4 pi 9 square plus or minus 0.03. Now you solve it. 4 multiplied by 9 square, that is 81, and then whatever answer will come plus or and then multiply by 0.03. So 9.72 pi. Now why I wrote here in answer plus or minus? Because error है, ठीक है? Error तो plus भी हो सकती है minus भी हो सकती है, right? चलो, so I hope that you understood this, right? So that's it for today. Thank you very much and have a great day.